Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, we've been going down very strong. Now this could end up being a running pattern. And if this is like a running flat type pattern, then it will make a higher low and it will go back up. But it could also turn into an expanding wave C, which would likely go down and take out both of these lows before it actually did end up continuing up. Either scenario, I think we'll recognize when it does turn. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So basically, just like the euro dollar, I do think that this is very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves for a 3. 1, 2, 3 waves up for another 3. Most likely we are now going down for 5 waves down. So if we do get a higher low, 5 wave trend and then an impulsive up break of structure, then that definitely would be the end of a crescent, probably the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, like I was saying on the monthly, if it turns into an expanding flat, then it may continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and then down here, after it breaks all these lows, it would give you the end of a trend and the continuation of the uptrend. So either way, until we actually get that end of a trend signal, we should be looking for shorts. Going down to the daily time frame, it looks to me like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If it really is a wave 3, then we have a lot of downside potential. We're only at the 78 Fibonacci extension. Most wave 3s go to the 168 minimum, so there is very likely a lot of downside potential left. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we had a false breaker structure yesterday. And normally when price breaks and rejects structure like that, it's actually a great opportunity to trade with the trend again. So the trend is definitely still down. We have a very obvious little trend line right here that it keeps bouncing off. So we're going to have to see if it does end up breaking through that. If it does go up and break this high right here, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. But until then, I'm definitely only looking for shorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, definitely looking for shorts. I would not try to go short right now. Probably the best thing for this to do would be to go up a little bit because that would give us more of an ABC shape like this. So if I do see some sort of an ABC shape with a lower high, nice engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would continue to look for shorts as long as it does not break this high right here. I am only looking for shorts and I'm only looking to go short at the end of 3 way pullbacks. The trend is your friend, and we'll know when the trend is over when we see it break and hold above structure with momentum. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.